Hi, I'm Alex. We're going to set up Homey for the very first time. Right now, Homey's LED ring is pulsating yellow. That means that it's in setup mode. During this mode, you'll be led through the app to create your account, and finally, to connect to a Wi-Fi. For this, you just tap Open Wi-Fi Settings. You select Homey's Wi-Fi, and then Homey guides you through the next steps. In this case, it's asking, what is my Wi-Fi network? So select your Wi-Fi and enter its password. The LED ring has changed to a rolling blue color. This means that it's now connecting to my Wi-Fi.
Successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network.
Homey's LED ring just turned green. That means that we are successfully connected to the Wi-Fi. From this point on, it might take some time because Homey will have to download a few software updates. And after that, the Homey will reboot. After the reboot, Homey is now fully operational and ready to use. The next step is to add your first device.